clap, hop, dance. These words mean action, and they are called verbs or action words. An action word tells what someone or something does. Action words are called verbs. Look at this picture. What does the teacher do? The teacher teaches. What else does the teacher do? The teacher guides. Next, the farmer. What does the farmer do? The farmer plants. What else does the farmer do? The farmer digs the soil. How about the telephone? What action words describe what the telephone does? The telephone rings. Another action word is calls. The telephone receives calls. Let's read some action words. Eat, ring, dance, walk, hop, read. Now your turn. Good job! Let's read more.
You're so cool.
Let's do this activity. Tell us which word you think is the action word. Number 1, she dances well. The action word is dances. The children play outside. Play is the action word. My father drives his car. The action word is drives. I read my book. Read is the action word. The cat sleeps on the pillow. Sleeps is the action word. Are your answers correct?
First rate. Remember, kids, be kind to one another. Ephesians 4:32.